Well, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, the Tech Stur. Yeah, so today I want to show you something very different. So today I just want to show you how you can preserve your battery. Like there are some settings that you can do, something that you can trigger on your phone, which they can boost your phone battery. Alright, so let's begin. So here what we're going to do is there are some settings which remain running in the background and they keep on draining our battery. So we are going to just turn off some simple settings, and then that's all. It will save your battery. Alright, so let's begin. So what you do is you come to settings. You come to setting, and then you move down. You see where there is location. You tap on location. You're seeing Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. You tap open it. So remember, are you seeing my Wi-Fi is off and the Bluetooth is also off? Alright, are you saying that Wi-Fi is off and Bluetooth is also off? But do you know what? Wi-Fi remains scanning in the background even when you turn off your Wi-Fi up there, and then Bluetooth is off. But the phone continues scanning Bluetooth in the background. So what we do here is you turn this Wi-Fi scanning off and also Bluetooth scanning off. So by doing that, you preserve your battery. So basically that is it. When you have just opened, those settings will be on, they will be on. However much you have turned off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but it will remain scanning in the background, so that will drain your battery. So what we do is you come and turn Wi-Fi scanning off and then Bluetooth scanning off. So by doing that, you will save your battery. Alright, so thanks so much. That is it. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and then you turn on the notification so you don't miss out when I drop a new fresh video. Alright, stay tuned.